Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? 90,000 subscribers, and we're well on our way to 100,000. Keep a close eye on videos and messages for some upcoming pre-100,000 subscriber giveaways. In this video, I'll be talking about some of the most rare and valuable pennies that sold at auction in 2024 for big money. Let's get right into it. This is one of the best 1909S VDB specimens ever to be found. 1909 is the first year of the Lincoln cent wheat reverse. The designer's initials, VDB, were prominently displayed on the lower reverse of the penny. People were more modest back then, and this caused a little drama. So his initials were removed, and that's what makes this variety of penny scarce. This one is in pretty good condition for a coin that's more than 100 years old. It was graded mint state 66 on a scale from 1 to 70, and this penny sold at Stack's Bowers auction for $15,600. You don't see double dies like this these days. The 1969S Lincoln double die is one of the most famous error coins. It's actually a variety because this error is on the die and not a result of an error when the planchet was struck. The doubling on this coin is obvious. This penny has lost its beautiful red color and is brown, which does affect the value of the coin. There are signs of wear, and there are plenty of marks on the penny from circulation. Despite all of this coin graded mint state 63 by NGC. This 1969S double die penny sold at auction in 2024 for $26,400. Here's a beautiful looking 1918 Lincoln penny coin. The patina makes the penny look soft. You're not going to find much wear on this one. Someone preserved it really early and took great care of it for the past 106 years. There are a few marks on the back or reverse of the penny, and there are even a few spots on the bottom of the coin. Look at the bold strike and preserved wheat stalks. There were over 288 million of these circulation strikes minted, so you wouldn't expect this coin to be worth so much. It's in great condition. It graded mint state 68 red. The value of this penny comes from its population in grade. There have only been 3 of these graded mint state 68, and there are no finer examples known to exist. Because of the low population and such a high grade, this Lincoln cent sold at auction for $31,200. Did you know that in 1922, no Lincoln cents were minted at the Philadelphia Mint? Then how do you explain this? You can see that there's no mint mark on this penny. The Philadelphia Mint usually doesn't put a mint mark on their coins. No mint mark usually means the coin was minted in Philadelphia, but not in 1922. Because of the Pittman Act, the mint was required to produce a significant amount of silver dollars. In order to accomplish this, many coins like the nickel, dime, quarter, and half dollar weren't minted at all during this year. It's believed that at least one of these dies was overpolished, so much that the mint mark was erased. The bottom line is that we know this. This no mint mark penny was minted in Denver because there were no pennies minted anywhere else that year. There's a weak reverse and a strong reverse variety of this coin. This is the strong reverse variety. This Denver minted coin was graded mint state 64 brown on a scale from 1 to 70, and it sold at auction for $38,400. This is my favorite double die. You won't see a variety as obvious as this. How did it get like this? When the die was being created, it shifted between strikes in the hub. Every single penny planchet struck by the die produced a penny that looks just like this. It's estimated that about 40,000 of these were struck. The value of your 1955 double die will come from its condition determined by the grade. The higher the grade, the more it's worth. This penny coin graded mint state 65 red. There are only about 20 of these that have been graded mint state 65 by PCGS, and only 2 that have been graded higher. This penny sold at auction in 2024 for $45,600. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video on social media. Thanks for watching.